Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're putting together presentations in PowerPoint, you know how crucial it is to organize your content clearly. Today, in this quick 2025 update, we're tackling how to make sub-bullet points in PowerPoint. This feature helps break down ideas into subcategories, making your slides more professional and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. We're assuming you're using the latest 2025 version, but these steps work similarly in recent editions. Start by creating a new slide or opening an existing one. Go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. That's your command center for text formatting. Now, to add bullet points, click on the text box where you want your list. Hit the bullet point icon in the paragraph section. It'll turn your text into a standard bullet list. For sub-bullet points, select the bullet you want to indent. Simply press the Tab key on your keyboard and voila, it's now a sub-bullet. If you're on a Mac or prefer the mouse, right-click the bullet, go to Paragraph, and adjust the indentation level under the Indent options. Pro tip: use consistent formatting for a polished look. You can change the bullet style by clicking the drop-down arrow next to the bullet icon and selecting from the gallery. Maybe switch to dashes or numbers for sublevels to make it stand out. Also, if you're working with a lot of content, keyboard shortcuts like Tab for indenting and Shift+Tab for outdenting will save you tons of time. One common mistake is forgetting to check your slide in presentation mode. Always preview to ensure sub-bullets align properly on different devices. And if you're collaborating, remember that sub-bullets help keep everyone on the same page. There you have it. Making sub-bullet points in PowerPoint is straightforward and can elevate your presentations. Give it a try on your next project, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.